Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing. This is 1.8 hectare clean title located in Barangay Imrojas, Trinidad, Bohol, a northern part of Bohol province, which is around 2 hours or 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. So this is the property, guys. It has a road right of way. It is second lot, meaning there is a first lot, which is the barangay road. Then they have a road right of way or access. So there is an access of road, so there's no problem with the property. Has 9 compartments or 9 blocks of rice field and a deep well. The deep well usually is used by the neighbors for the during drought time or summertime. During summertime, guys, the deep well is really used by the neighbors, no? Actually, it's belong to the property, and this is beside of the rice field is the property, which is the elevated one. So only 9 blocks of rice field, and we can see the boundary outside of the rice field, no? So the boundary is the rice field. So this is the property, guys. The deep well. See, you can see the deep well, no? Actually, the property has so many trees or so many native trees, or it called shrub or small trees. So that is in the property. The property has so many shrub or small trees because it was not already because the owner is not around. Then the property remain at so many trees or small trees. Ang ibig ko sabihin, guys, yung property natin dito, since the owner is not around for a long time ago, hinahayaan na lang yung property na may maraming mga damo or may mga small trees na nandyan sa property. Actually, there are also coconut trees inside to the properties, but it was damaged during the typhoon. So hindi na natin na manage yung property na maayos, kaya maraming mga damo na but actually the property is really good. It is flat terrain. Noong panahon na hindi pa ito sa iba pa, ito sa original owner pa ito, kasi this is a resale, guys. This is a resale property, binili at bininta. Yun pong nangyayari. So noong panahon, nung unang may-ari, may tanim dyan nga mga kasaba, yung mga kamuting kahoy sa Bisaya. Pero ngayon, since wala na talaga si owner, hindi na, wala na dyan, matagal na, so pinabinta na nila yung property. Yun po nangyayari, guys. So sinamahan ako yung mga boundaries, yung muhon nandyan pa lahat, kaya napakaganda dito, guys. May marami na ring mga improvements sa mga kalapit. May marami na ring malalaking bahay, at ito ay maganda kung magpigiri kayo dito Kasi nandyan to sa second lot. So super ganda ang location. Water, nandyan naman si deep well. Electricity, nandyan rin. At just few minutes away, just 2 minutes drive to the national highway. Approximately 10 minutes drive from the town proper of Trinidad, Bohol. So I repeat, it is around 2 hours or 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. Why 3 if you use bus transit, kung public bus or yung mga series bus liner, abot yan mga 3 hours. Pero kung yung van, yung mga V-Hire, 2 hours lang yan. Mas lalo na kung may sarili kayong sasakyan. Pero ang pabor dito, pag gusto ka magpunta sa Cebu, yung Trinidad is malapit lang sa Talibon, may seaport dyan papuntang Cebu. Or kung gusto mo, doon ka na lang sa Hitape, approximately nasa 30 minutes drive lang. Hitape na going to Cebu. So meaning all in all, nasa mga 40 minutes or 30 minutes drive from seaport of Hitape itong property natin. So super ganda talaga guys, kasi flat terrain at saka kompleto na, may rice field, may big flat para mataniman mo ng kung anong gusto mo or magpigiri ka. So itong mga rice field ito, hindi na to kasama sa property. It is the boundary line. So nandito yung kinita namin yung itong tao nito ay alam niya kung saan yung, kasi sila ang nandyan sa akto yung pag-survey. So alam niya kung saan talaga yung mga monument o mohon. So wala naman talagang problema. Maganda to, clean title, nasa akin yung titulo, yung copy. Just contact me kung gusto nyo talagang bumili sa property. I repeat, the size is 1.8 hectare. It's a clean title, or 18,000 square meters, clean title yan, for a package price of 2.5 million pesos negotiable. Ito po yun, oh. May mga napier din dyan, pero advice ko dito na ano na lang, isprayhan na lang pangpatay ng damo para makita talaga natin yung kuan. So ito naman, hindi ito kasali sa property. Ito po yung mga neighbor. So it's really along the road. See, barangay road po yan guys. Barangay road. May 2.5 meters wide frontage, approximately 50 meters from this barangay road. At malapit lang ito sa concrete road. Ito po yung mga neighborhood. So paglabas natin doon sa highway, makita natin yung MRO. May tatak MRO gasoline station. Yun po. So makita natin maganda yung mga neighborhood guys. Putol pa lang ang yung, kasi sabi ng neighbor dyan, pwede yan i-concrete talaga yan hanggang doon sa property, yung sa barangay road. So very developed na po ang Trinidad. So very developed. So ito po yung mga neighborhood, mga approximately nasa mga less than kilometer from the property. So kung isuma total, nasa mga 2 minutes drive lang siguro from highway. Malapit lang. So I think the Emrojas is the last barangay, no? Barangay o boundary of San Miguel and Trinidad. So yan po. Ito po yung national highway guys. Basta dyan lang na corner, no, from the property. So ito na tayo sa boundary. Kita natin yung Trinidad. May marka na Trinidad. Trinidad Municipal College. So actually guys, Trinidad, I think it is second class municipality. Before it was third class, pero nung nakaupo na yung mga former congressman, biglang nagbago ang Trinidad. Kasi noong panahon talaga yung Trinidad ay napaka talaga. Pero ngayon makita natin ang progress ng Trinidad. Ito po yung sentro, yung town proper. Saka may sila dito, may eskwelahan, tinatawag na Trinidad Municipal College. So ito po yun ang public market, no, sa right side. Ngayon may traffic light na sila. Kita natin mga estudyante, no? See, ito po yung public market. Saka ito po yung national highway going to Ubay, Bohol. So Ubay and Trinidad is just around 15 kilometers from Ubay to Trinidad, just like that, no, 15 to 20, let's say 20 kilometers. So Trinidad is like a coastal road, no. Ito po yun, may along the river, no. Saka dito after the river may ginawa rin sila na public market. Saka nandun po ang Shoppers Mart, yung malaking mall o malaking mga mura lang dyan. Kasi noon talaga ang Shoppers na mga mura ang mga binibinta. Parang mall yan, medyo malaki, parang tinatawag Prince Warehouse o parang ganon. Yan po, Shoppers Mart. See, may bago silang building sa Fire. So ito po yun ang corner papunta sa Trinidad Municipal College. Yan po. So pinuntahan natin yung Trinidad Municipal College guys. So may marami ng mga kabahayan or boarding houses. Saka if you are buying the property in M. Roxas, kung gusto mong may pinaaral kayo, mag-college, o dito lang. Sikat na sikat yan, yung Trinidad Municipal College. Mga top notcher ng board exam yung pumapasa, very known yan. Kaya maraming nag-aral dyan sa Trinidad Municipal College. Ito po yung mga building ng Trinidad Municipal College guys, no. At due to that, marami ding nagtatayo ng mga boarding house, parang kabuti. So ito po yung maraming estudyante. Kasi noon yung Municipal College doon sa sentro, ngayon nag-transfer na dito kasi ang laki ng population nila. So yan po ang Trinidad Municipal College. Mga top notcher board passer dyan, mga estudyante nila. So libre, at saka may mga libre pag pumasa ka sa exam nila. So ito po yung mga surroundings din. Ay, marami na ring mga boarding house dyan, nagtatayuan. So yun po. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So as you can see, no, marami na talagang boarding houses diyan. May mga walang problema sa tubig kasi may water system na sila sa Richley. Yung Richley. So going back to the center of Trinidad, so here we go again with the center. So nasa traffic light tayo. So yan po, okay. Ito na po ang munisipyo ng Trinidad. Yan po ang munisipyo. Papunta na yung Talibon. So that's the municipal hall of Trinidad. Yan po ang Municipal Hall ng Trinidad. So maganda, no? Yan, papunta na yung Talibon. So okay, Municipal Hall of Trinidad. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye.